Halo guys, balik lagi bersama aku. Kali ini kita akan sinematik di McD ya guys. Jadi for your information, di Aceh pertama kali buka McD. Dan McD itu hampir buka ya guys, sekitar tanggal 15 Agustus. Langsung aja kita OTW ke McD guys. Jadi kita hampir sampai ya guys ke McD-nya. Halo guys, jadi kami udah sampai di McD ya guys. Ya Pan. Jadi ulang tapi ulang kita lagi Pak. Oke bang. Jadi di sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ada 6 unit ya guys. Langsung aja kita buat sinematik dulu guys.
Wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Ya guys, jadi udah selesai kita buat sinematik guys. Ini ya guys. Ada Xeon, Beat Karbu, Mio dan Mio Spin. Di sini ada beat aku guys. Ada beatnya Didi. Ada Bang siapa namanya Bang? Bang Daus.
Amazing.
Bang Didi.
Amazing.
Bang Pan.
Amazing.
Bang siapa namanya Bang? Bang
Amazing.
Fajri. Irfan.
Amazing.
Oke, bye bye guys. Jangan lupa di subscribe ya guys. Biar kita giveaway. Giveaway apa Pan?
Mobil satu.
Mobil. Oke, insya Allah kita giveaway mobil.